This is called innovative study techniques. You have got study techniques, innovative study techniques. Uh, can I have one brochure? Somebody is having it? No, I got it. Let me just discuss the help of brochure. If you have, you can just keep it open. Now, you can go to those questions. You listed several problems that you have for your studies. The first thing is, let me start from the base problem. Let me just tell you, sir, how to understand the concepts. How to understand the concepts. I am not understanding the concepts itself. Then forget about remembering, that is later. I should first understand the concepts, no? I want to ask you one question, honestly and sincerely. Please tell me, because this is a platform for you to exchange your problems. Don't hide any information. I am like your friend, that's all. How many of you have the difficulty in understanding the concepts? Let me just first talk with respect to science students and subject wise. Then I will come to commerce students. Okay. Which subject you want to begin with in science? Maths. Maths? Physics. Okay, let me just discuss maths and physics. Now, who can be the representative among this group so that I ask some questions? I am not asking any mathematics question. What problems you are facing in understanding mathematics concepts? That will be most of the times it is same for others also. So I want one representative on behalf of those who are not able to understand mathematics concept. Volunteer, please. I'll give 10 seconds time. Be bold enough to stand up and tell this is the problem that you have in mathematics. If you don't do so, then I have to understand you don't have any problem. Very good. First you introduce yourself. What's your name? Sushma, you are studying in which college? NM Kavi College. Fine. Now, all of you please give a big hand to Sushma because she is representing you. She is representing you for mathematics. Okay. Can I have the mic then, please? You, so that everybody can listen. Hello. 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 Hello.
Yeah, something is not enough.
Now let's see how we can do best to understand mathematics. You said that you are not understanding mathematics, concepts of mathematics. Can you give me one example? How specifically you are not able to understand?
Like if we have a derivation or any theorem, like I'll not get proper understanding. Like if some diagrams are given in theorems and all, they'll explain and lecturers means they'll explain and they'll tell like you have understood no, you have understood no, and they'll go. I can't understand those diagrams through equations.
Okay.
Like representing that diagrams, like this is the equation for that diagram. Can't understand.
Are you able to solve some problems by yourself from the textbook?
No.
No.
Techniques are, I can't remember the techniques. If I see some problem, I can't make out from which technique can I solve this.
Okay, so the approach, you are not able to open the thought process for doing the problem.
Yes, sir.
First of all, honestly tell me, when you read the problem, do you understand the problem, what the problem is based on?
Yeah, little maybe.
Not very clear.
Not clearly, not confidently that, yeah, this is.
This problem is from which lesson can you make it out?
Yeah.
That you can make it
Yeah.
out. but you do not know how to,
approach it
yeah,
actually.
what methods to be, strategies to be adopted to solve the problem.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the common problem with mathematics students. Thank you very much. Give a big hand. Now, this is a very common problem. This is a very common problem. That you are not able to understand the concepts. There are two ways I can answer to this question. One is that you have not understood the basics right from 10th standard and first PUC. Okay. Second thing is that you have not learned the art of learning mathematics. Learning mathematics is an art. I can also add one more thing based on your mind state, that since your childhood you might have developed an aversion towards mathematics because of the fact that knowingly or unknowingly your parents or teachers would have told you, look, mathematics is a difficult subject. Since your childhood, you have been programmed with that thinking, mathematics is a difficult subject. Since it is difficult, you don't understand. That same technology you are applying for mathematics. What is the inception that you have been grown with? Mathematics is difficult. Since it is difficult, I don't understand. Since you don't understand, you can't do well in the mathematics exam. If you are growing, spending days after days with this kind of programming in your mind, believe me, mathematics always remains as a hard nut for you. So three things you have to now do at this point of time if you want to score 100 out of 100. It's very easy, not at all difficult. Only thing is you should know the technique. First thing is, learn the basics of first PUC mathematics. For that, how much days are required? 3 days, that's all. I have a package. What are the basics of mathematics that you want from first PUC to apply for second PUC and also for CET? Second thing, learn the art of learning mathematics. Learn to learn mathematics. Learn to learn maths. That is learning the art of mathematics. If you just simply sit in the lecture class and teacher says something bala bala bala, because you have said you have to write down something tapa tapa tapa. This bala bala tapa tapa will not work out. Okay. If you have the boldness, you should ask, clarify the doubts in the class. But most of the students don't do that. Anyway, don't worry about that. I will also train what is the art of doing mathematics. Once you know that, mathematics is easy. Third thing, through a special type of technique, alpha programming, I will remove from your mind the wrong notion that you have been carrying towards mathematics. And you will start feeling like mathematics is as easy as your chemistry or any other favorite subject of yours. Then you fall in love with mathematics. Once you start loving mathematics, what is the input of love? Happiness. The subject starts giving you happiness. If something is giving you happiness, you always want to be with that. So you work out more and more problem. And as you are getting the response, the proper solution to every problem, you get thrilled at one point of time. And nobody can stop you getting 100 out of 100 once you reach that stage. Celebration, please. And that is what I am going to do. I am going to do. Right now you don't have that ability. It should be acquired in the form of training. So three things we overcome in this training program. One is, this is the first one I said. Basics of first PUC and 10th standard. 3 days. You should work it out 3 days. Sir, I don't get any interest. Alright, don't worry, I have technique to get interest also.